Class 7th, chapter 3. So today we are going to start new chapter, which is structure of matter. Structure of matter. See, what is matter? So anything occupy a space, they have some weight, some amount of mass, they are said to be matter. In class 6, we already discussed about matter. Kand, the great Indian sage of ancient time, was probably the first to suggest that all matter is composed of various small particles. He gave the name is Anu to these particles. A piece of iron is made up of matter, and if this piece of iron is broken, what will happen? It convert into a smaller piece of iron. Hence we say that any matter is made up of so many small particles. John Dalton, a scientist who named the small particle is atom in 19th century. Similarly, the smallest piece of gold is gold atom. So now the conclusion is that matter is made up of matters are made up of small particles, and these small particles are called atoms. Okay, atoms are so small that they cannot able to seen with our naked eyes. By naked eyes we are not able to see atom of any matter. Approximately 1 million gold atom placed in 1 length means 1 length of gold having 4 million atom of gold. Okay, so now we assume how tiny is it. The smallest particle of gold and iron are gold atom and iron atom respectively. We also know that water. What is water? So water is made up of two elements. First is hydrogen and second is oxygen. It is made up of two type of atoms. First is hydrogen atom and second is oxygen atom. The smallest particle of matter contains two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. So it contain two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Okay, these form one molecule, which is water, and the combination of atom is known as molecule. Okay, now we talk about elements and compound. See what is elements and what is compound. if a substance is made up of, if a substance is made up of single type of, single or one kind of atom, then a substance is known as, a substance is known as element. When we talk about gold, so gold is made up of only one type of atom, which is gold atom. When we talk about iron, iron is a substance, iron is a matter, it is made up of only iron atom, only iron atom. So any matter, any substance which made up of, which is made up of only single type of atom, then they are said to be elements. Okay, now the term is compound. Now the term is compound. See what is compound. What is compound? See what is compound. A substance formed by the chemical combination, a substance formed by a chemical combination, of two or more elements, in fixed proportion, then is said to be, then is called compound. See, water is a compound. How? Hydrogen is made up of single atom, hydrogen atom, then it's said to be element. And oxygen is also made up of only one type of atom, only oxygen atom. And the combination of two element or more than two element, then it is said to be compound. So H2O is a compound which is known as water, There are so many more example of compound and element we discuss later. Okay, now the next topic is how elements form compound. Let us see how elements combine each other and make a compound.